everyone, I'm Elizabeth Chow, an agriculture student, and today I want to introduce you to one of the most important vehicle used on farm, the four-wheel drive tractor. In this video, we will cover the various parts of the tractor, its functions, safety operating procedure, troubleshooting, and maintenance. But before we go into these details, allow me first to explain what tractor is.
A tractor is an agricultural vehicle that has a powerful motor and large wheels. It is commonly used on farm for various purposes, depending on the attachment that is fitted to it. With this tractor, farmers and other workers can complete a variety of tasks efficiently. Protect operators safely. First, install an approved rollover protective structure for safe operations. Always fasten the seatbelt while operating the tractor with rollover protective structure or ROPS. Avoid loose, fitting, or baggy clothing, and wear work clothes and shoes or boots. Before operation, do not operate the tractor when tired, sick, sleepy, drunk, feeling overworked, taking medicine, pregnant, suffering from mental disease, or if other improper conditions are present. Remove oil, grease, or mud from the handrails, steps, pedals to avoid slips or loss of control. And make sure the tractor and implements are in good condition and properly adjusted, that implements are properly attached and hooked up. Operation starting. First, start the engine safely. And never start the engine while standing on the ground. Before start the engine, first, sit in the operator's seat and adjust the seat position. Make sure the rollover protective structure is in working condition and fasten the belt securely. And then lower implement to the ground. Place speed shift lever and the PTO switch in neutral. Sit in the parking brake. Disengage the PTO for the neutral position. Check all the instrument and be sure everyone is clear of the tractor. During operation, first, operate the tractor safely. Do not permit any person other than the operator to ride. Do not play games with the tractor. Do not touch the muffler, radiator, engine, or other. And do not try to get on or off a moving tractor or implement. Keep hands, feet, and clothing away from power driving parts. Never stand or allow anyone else to stand between the tractor and implements. Never use the tractor to round up farm animals, and do not allow the tractor to cause downhill with the clutch.
This is the headlight.
Headlights light up the tractor path in the front.
The turn signal lamp.
Provides protection for driving safety.
The tail lamp.
Tail lamp. These illuminate the rear side so everyone can spot the tractor easily.
The fuel refill port.
Fuel refill port. This stores the tractor's fuel and pumps it into the engine to start the vehicle. Operator's seat. These provide a comfortable and functional workspace for the tractor driver. Sab step. Provide additional accessibility and convenience for the operator when entering or exiting the tractor. Bonnet. To cover the tractor engine, the radiator, and other sensitive components. Lower links. Lifting arms of a 3-point link and other controlled by the hydraulic system and provides the lifting, lowering, and tilting actions to the arms.
This is a top link.
Top link. This connects the 3-point hitch to the tractor's hydraulic system, allowing implements to be raised, lowered, or adjusted for tillage, planting, and other farm operations.
This is the right fender, and this is the left fender.
These sheet metal panels on the right and left sides of the tractor shield the operator and the machine from dirt, debris, and water spray kicked up by the wheels.
This is the front tire.
The front tires provide traction and steering control for the tractor. They are typically smaller than the rear tires to allow for sharper turns.
This is the rear tire.
Rear tire. The larger rear tires are the main drivers of the tractor, providing traction and propulsion as the engine power is transmitted through the drivetrain. Parking brake lever. This pull to set parking works when off tractor.
This is combination switch.
Combination switch. Headlight, turn signal, and horn. The combination switch is a control located on the steering column of a tractor.
This is a reverser lever.
The reverse lever is a control that enables the operator to engage the tractor's rearward gear.
Gear shift lever or power takeoff gear shift lever.
PTO or power takeoff gear shift lever. The PTO gear shift lever controls the power takeoff mechanism of the tractor.
This is brake pedal.
Brake pedal. The brake pedal is a foot operator control used to apply the brakes and slow down or stop the tractor. Clutch pedal. Engage or disengage for starting or for stopping tractor motion. Foot accelerator pedal. This controls the engine speed of the tractor, allowing the operator to regulate power output based on work demands and terrain. Main gear shift lever. This changes the gears of the tractor, affecting its speed and pulling power for different tasks. Position control lever. Used in conjunction with hydraulic implements to precisely control their position during operation. Differential gear lock pedal. This engages the differential lock to improve traction for the tractor in challenging conditions like mud or loose soil.
This is seat adjust lever.
Seat adjust lever. This allows the operator to adjust the seat for optimal comfort and proper reach of all the tractor's controls.
Stop and slow return valve.
Stop and slow return valve.
This is a seat belt.
Seat belt. Protects the operator in case of a rollover accident or sudden stop, similar to a seat belt in a car.
And this is a rollover protective structure or ropes.
This essential safety frame protects the operator in case the tractor overturns, significantly reducing the risk of injury or death.
This is the accelerator lever.
Accelerator lever. This lever controls the engine speed of the tractor, allowing the operator to adjust power output based on workload and terrain. Common tractor issues and solutions. First, starting problems. Symptom: the tractor won't start or it's hard to start. Possible causes: battery issues, fuel supply problems, clogged air filters, or issues with the glow plugs. How to fix: ensure the battery is changed and the connections are clean and tight. Check the fuel level and quality. Replace or clean air filters regularly. For diesel engines, checking and replacing glow plugs might be necessary. Second, overheating. Symptom: The tractor overheats during operations. Possible causes: low coolant levels, a malfunctioning thermostat, or a clogged radiator. How to fix: regularly check the coolant level and refill as necessary. Inspect the thermostat and radiator for any blockages or malfunctions and clean or replace them if needed. Power loss: the tractor loses power under load or has diminished performance. Possible causes: dirty fuel filter, air intake issues, or transmission problems. How to fix: replace the fuel filter and inspect the air filter and intake manifold for any blockages. For transmission issues, check the fluid level and quality. Refer to a professional if complicated transmission repairs are required. Hydraulic issues. Symptom: hydraulics are slow, weak, or non-responsive. Possible causes: low hydraulic fluid, air in the system, or worn hydraulic pump. How to fix: check the hydraulic fluid level and replenish if low. Bleed the system to remove air. Inspect the hydraulic pump and other components for wear and tear, replacing parts as necessary. PTO or power takeoff problems. Symptom: the PTO doesn't engage or lacks power. Possible causes: faulty PTO clutch, low hydraulic fluid, or mechanical damage. How to fix: inspect the PTO clutch for wear and adjust or replace it if needed. Ensure the hydraulic fluid is at the right level. Check for and repair any mechanical damages.